I just bought a great set of tires from BurtBrothers.com.
I got mine from another website. Shipped right to me, and they were $20 cheaper.
Hey, Fred, need some help?
Totally worth it.
Hey, Fred, say you got tires that were the wrong size and you have to ship them back. Who pays for that?
Honey, are you sure these tires are right?
I hope she wouldn't notice.
That's awesome, man. I pick Burt Brothers because tire maintenance is included.
Well, I don't... Wait, maintenance?
Yeah, you know, rotation, balancing, rebalancing, alignment checks, flat repairs. Everything you need to keep your tires in great shape.
Yeah, I'm gonna pay for that.
You're also gonna need this. Yeah. When it comes to getting you the best deal on tires, in-store or online, no one does it better than Burt Brothers. Ugh. Burt Brothers, complete auto care done better since 1991.
Burt Brothers does it better.